The star witness is not going to be some kind of secret informant that had infiltrated Claudia Jones's circle. It's not going to be an intelligence expert who's been tapping her phones. It is going to be the head librarian of the New York Public Library and the Librarian of Congress. And their exhibits are going to be documents from the Daily Worker, other newspapers and magazines where Claudia Jones had published her work. This, to me, was fascinating. The main bit of evidence for Claudia Jones and against Claudia Jones was presented by librarians. And the main evidence against her was things that she'd written. Things that today would be legal, things that then were probably legal, and yet. So it's interesting. I had a vision of intelligence agents doing one thing, but the more and more I sat with these files, the more the intelligence agents that the FBI used to track Claudia Jones, and as I'll show in a moment, CLR James, they did the kind of work that I do, and that librarians do, and that archivists do. They read a lot of stuff. They clip out little things from newspapers. I mean, this is pre-internet days, right? So they're not using their Google box to search up everything, right? They're taking clippings from newspapers. They're reading stuff. They're attending rallies, taking notes on what people say in their speeches, just like a few of you are today, right? Everything that I do, interpret texts, right? That's, as a professor of English and somebody who's got a strong interest in history, that's what I do. That's what I spend most of my day doing. It's exactly what the FBI agents were doing as they developed a case